Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are doing a short review of the Rockstar. We had to wait a while for our bus back to the airport, so we thought we'd pop in for a bite to eat. There was a good choice of dishes on the menu, so we decided to share a club sandwich. The desserts look nice, don't they? Our chips on our club sandwich have finally come, so what do you all think of it? The food was set out quite nice, and the chips were thin and crispy and came in a small paper bag. The only thing I would say was the toast didn't look very well done, but that could just be my preferences. So what did we think of this? It was okay as we shared it, so €5 each for this wasn't bad. But we'd pick somewhere else next time to get more value for money. Let us know in the comments, did you come here and what did you think of it?